Behind us is the 2023 Timberwolf 39DL.
Guys, this camper is loaded with features. This is a 43-foot unit. It's gonna have a solar package already installed, and I'd be impressed if you find enough people to fill this RV. Hey, Steven, remind me why we have a manual jack on this one?
So this is going to be a destination camper. Destination campers aren't meant to be moved very often, so you're going to leave it in one spot for probably a couple years. If you want an electric one, you can go to Camp Town and get one.
Nice. Guys, let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say outside the room. This RV has a 21-foot awning. It's going to be a solar awning that has auto dump feature, which means no more pooling of water in the middle of your awning. It's going to automatically dump once it gets full. Not only will this feature keep your awning in perfect condition, it's going to protect your investment.
The inside of this destination camper is going to be massive. The residential feel is going to be great. Tons of space. As you can see, Emmanuel's making himself comfortable. It is going to be a great option for your destination. The kitchen in this Timberwolf is going to have some great residential options. You're going to have a 4-door residential fridge right next to your 3-burner propane stove with a full-size propane oven right underneath. Going to have all the amenities at home. Just like your kitchen at home, you're going to have tons of storage. You're going to have drawers, countertop. You're going to have plenty of cabinets. So if you're looking for a home away from home, this is going to be it.
In this living space of this Cherokee, we have several seating options, including reclining sofas here, as you can see. We also have a love seat right at the rear of the camper that does turn into a pull-out bed as well. Plenty of windows, natural lighting with the zebra shades that Cherokee is known for. And across from me, we have a beautiful entertainment center that's going to house our electric fireplace, which does offer ambient light, and an entertainment center that is a stone-like pattern. It makes it feel like we're in a log cabin deep away in the forest. Steven didn't get a chance to touch on this, but I'm going to show y'all the massive pantry we have in this Cherokee. So much pantry space, and that is not all, guys. The cherry on top, what we've all been waiting for here. This camper is washer and dryer prepped. Yes, at this price point, it's not coming with the washer and dryer, but at mycamptown.com, you can buy a stackable unit for this RV. Now, Steven, take it away.
And this Timberwolf is going to have not one, but 2 lofts upstairs. Plenty of sleeping space or storage if you need it. The bathroom is going to have a porcelain toilet with a full stand-up shower, large vanity, and 2 separate medicine cabinets.
Guys, here we are in the master suite. I'm actually on the queen bed right now. And to the left and to the right of the bed are going to be separate side tables, and above the bed are going to be separate reading lights as well. At the very front of the RV, you're going to see a large built-in wardrobe with plenty built-in cubby space and cabinetry.
So Emmanuel, what do you think about this Timberwolf?
Yeah, I think this is a great model. This is a great option for those people that are trying to get a destination trailer. Maybe they don't have as much to put into some kind of permanent housing. This is going to offer everything you need, all the features. It's great entry level, like I said, because you can tow this thing with any bigger truck. Check your tow capacity, but this is going to offer you every amenity that you're going to need for long-term stay.
Absolutely. This is going to be a great option. It has an awesome residential feel. The fact that it has 2 lofts is going to give you an amazing amount of sleeping area. And it's, like you said, a great entry-level camper. If y'all like this video, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It's going to help us make more content for y'all and keep us going.
So get out there, get camping, go biking, whatever it is your next adventure may be. But remember, if you are in the market for a camper, for an RV, a destination trailer, the fun starts here.
Were your eyes open or closed?
Bro, mine were closed.
Oh man, mine were open.
Looking super creepy like.